What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and today I have another product to bring to you. This one is by Feiwood Gear. Now, I never heard of them. They've reached out to me. Let me look over some of their items and select something that I'd like to review for them. So Feiwood Gear has sponsored this video, but the item I selected I like quite a bit, and I think you will as well. So Feiwood is a China company that they make a variety of different outdoor type things, primarily focused toward hunting or fishing even more so. So the item that they have sent me is their chest rig. All right, chest rigs are starting to become more and more popular here, especially in the outdoor industry, because this is an underutilized space that doesn't get used a lot. And if you are in particular, I'd say the southeast, where we tend to do a lot of hunting from a tree stand, what I have used previously is I'll use a small pack with some of my gear or snacks in it, and I'll hang it in a tree beside me. But then I'm always fooling with trying to get my stuff out, trying to be quiet, this, that, and the other. The chest rig in southeastern hunting really does away with all that mess. And I would say, even as we're right here at turkey season, you know, this is a great option for that as well. So basically, the way it works is you're going to have a, you don't have to undo the straps if you don't want to, but you basically put it on like a vest, and you make the adjustments, obviously, to get it where you want it to sit. And then you have this nice pouch right here on your chest. So say if you want to have your rangefinder, your grunt call, or turkey call, your slate, or even some snacks because you might sit for a while, you can have that kind of stuff inside here. I just wanted to show you this. It has this nice little Velcro. It has some molly on it. There's a zipper right here in the front for a small pouch. And it's actually not all that small. You could definitely put a whole slate call and a scraper there. Then you have this whole pouch that opens up, and it has multiple pockets, has another good zipper, has this nice elastic on there, or static line, that holds it in place like that. And again, you have all this Velcro, so if you wanted to Velcro stuff in. Then there's also a second pocket. Now this one is designed to actually hold a firearm, all right? And then you have this heavy duty Velcro here. No, you don't have to use it for that, but that's what it's designed for, which I thought's a pretty cool idea. I don't see too many people would probably be carrying this all day long in a civilian type non-hunting situation or non-outdoor situation. But maybe you're in bear country and you need a good one close by, or a secondary to do something with. Then you have that option. Also has this nice little loop right here, which I think is cool for like hanging your keys so you don't get locked out of your car or lose it. What this really reminded me of when I seen this pouch here for the chest rig was, it reminded me of the Molly multi-purpose pouch, right? So this is, you can see the similarities, right? So this is exactly what I thought of when I seen this. And this is the multi-purpose pouch that you can flip down. It has the elastic, and you can adjust that how you want to. And rangefinder, binoculars, a journal. I got a fire kit inside here, whatever. You can put all that inside of this, and you can have it already on a rig. And as you can see, it has a nice netting in the center of the back. You can adjust the straps from up to down where you want it, and tighten it on the sides. Velcro in multiple places to put your morale patches or whatever you want to on there. All around, it's a good kit. I definitely have nothing to complain about. Let's see. Yeah, tactical chest rig, has a magazine pouch. I think it'd be great for hunting. So I know what I'm going to use it for is going to be primarily for hunting season. I think having something right here on the chest to be able to easily access it, have it all nice and organized, and be able to have that right there where I can access my calls, my rangefinder, things like that. Even if I was going to check trail cameras, right? You could put SD cards or your reader or extra batteries. Or even if you're taking trail cams out, you could even store them in this as you're hiking out and about. So all the way around, I think it's a pretty cool item. Well made, has all the standard features and the quality, you know, so I highly would recommend this if this is something that you're into or something that you're looking for. It's a great option. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for this item, and if it's something you're interested in, get one for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.